Hello everyone, today I am finishing making 3-color rice cake. If you watch my previous video, so what if we take from left off? Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. We are here for you. Thank you. So this stage that we reach after I extract the natural colors and then saute my glutinous rice with the color and coconut milk. Now I do the inside. This is mung bean that I wash for 5 hours and then cooked it and mashed it. Now I make them into rectangular shape and then I add my meat now. This meat you can use pork belly, pork shoulder, or pork leg. Whatever you do, get the fatty meat, because when you cook, the fat will melt and make the cakes more delicious that way. So I enclose my mung bean over the meat and roll it into a log. And now you can see that we have the 3-color rice ready. I already did that in the previous video. If you are new here, I can refer you to that video. Look for the link in the description box below. Now I will season it with salt and pepper. At this point, we already seasoned the rice. We already seasoned the mung beans and the meat, but this is an extra seasoning so that our rice cake come out delicious and flavorful. Now I try to enclose the rice around the mung bean stuffing, mung bean and meat stuffing, and you can see it's very easy and forgiving because we already did the step of cooking, sauteing the rice with the coconut milk and cream, and they are very easy to handle. Now I try to roll into a log, and you can see I try to make it tight. So I roll and tuck, so that later the roll come out, the rice cake come out round and tight. You don't want your rice cake unravel and falling apart. So you can see I do an extra press on both ends so that not only the roll is tight at the length, They are tied at both ends as well. Take extra time to take care of these, and you will have a nice roll. So to do further security, I use kitchen twine and tie across, and then lengthwise, crosswise and lengthwise. Make sure I'm trying to make sure that I have a very tight roll when I'm done. So you don't worry much about how you tie them. You can just get it tied. Normally at this point, if you do traditional tie, you need to make it very evenly and showy, because people will see your banana leaves with on the strings, but this is not that kind. This one I just try to tie it so that they hold together, and when we done, we cut on these strings off before we slice the cake into slices. So you don't worry much about how to tie it beautifully. You just want to tie so that they hold together. That's it. And when you're done, we will get its steam. I have a pot of water I put on the stove to heat to cook the water, and when the water is boiling, we will put this in steamer. You can see the steam coming out. Perfect timing. So I put the roll into my steamer, and you can see I remove on the towels because I like to make sure that the steam didn't escape. And after 1 hour and a half, that's done. Now, if you were me, you should leave it overnight, and the next day you will open and use it. But I cut it now and remove the paper to reveal to you. I know you are anxious to see if my 3 colors keep shape and the roll is round or not, and the rice enclose the stuffing or not. So I will review everything to you now. After that, I will re-roll it and let it rest overnight, and tomorrow we will slide them. You can see it's pretty easy to remove the paper, although the paper gets wet a little bit because of the steam and the coconut fat release when they cook. But you can see it's beautiful color and they mingle to each other, and we can see separate color very distinctly. So I'm happy with that. Now this is the roll. Yesterday I rewrapped it and I let it rest on the counter for one night. Now I open it and I will slide the roll and we are ready to eat. Or if you are make this for New Year, you can display it on the table. Now, instead of using the knife, I hate to wash the knife after because they will stick to the rice. So I use this twine to cut the slice. You can see I use both sides and just squeeze, and that's it. I have very beautiful slice. Now I tried it, it's very good. Thank you for watching. I hope I inspire you to make this for yourself. It's a showstopper. See you soon. Bye bye.